ask the question. If you
No, sir,
proceed
not
with,
yet, because we just received the.
So when do you want it for? But then their anxiety, because
Tomorrow.
The election symbols have to be issued on 13th, which is tomorrow, and the ballot papers are to be sent for printing virtually the next working day thereafter.
yes, naturally, because otherwise, how will they?
This is part of the election
how do
schedule.
you want to proceed?
So the question is that primarily my submission at this moment.
How do you want us to proceed? We will hear submissions.
I'll submit that. Let the matter be fixed for Monday, and we'll argue. Come back prepared. Moment.
How do you want us to proceed? We will hear.
I'll submit that. Let the matter be fixed for Monday, and we'll argue. Come back prepared.
Then it will become a purely academic exercise. Or we suspend the order, then we can have Monday. So we have to be fair to both sides. So because, we don't mind hearing on Saturday and Sunday even, because we realize that elections must go through as smoothly as possible and in accordance with the law.
Exactly.
So we are prepared to sacrifice any working day, any time, morning, night. Now we are just asking your availability. But if we, on your request, adjourn it to Monday, then we will suspend the order, because otherwise we don't know what the reasoning of the decision is.
May I submit then? Let it be fixed tomorrow. That will give us some time to prepare.
Yes, by all means you're entitled to.
जारी है। काजी फायजी साहब सरबराही कर रहे हैं। पीटीआई का इंतखाबी निशान बल्ला होगा या नहीं, इसका फैसला जारी होना है, और इस हवाले से ये समाअत जारी है। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पेशावर हाई कोर्ट का फैसला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया था। इलेक्शन कमीशन की दरख्वास्त पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस की समाअत जारी है।
वो पहले का था। द करंट ऑर्डर विच इज इम्प्यूग्ड,
फाइनल ऑर्डर जो उनका है वो
पेज 54
जी,
नेक्स्ट B2
जी।
My lord, your lordship wants me to read the entire order or just the operating part?
Whatever you want to read so much of it, so we can understand what the controversy was, what the applicable law was, and how it was applied and decided. Now we leave it to you. You're experienced enough to know what we want.
My lord, the issues are related to the inter-party elections. They have pointed out different defects.
My lord, yes.
In the inter-party elections.
My lord, yes.
This is the main cause of concern of the Election Commission of Pakistan.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the brief, if your lordship may permit, the brief background of this case is that the last election of this party were held on 19th of June 2017. And according...
Does the law provide for holding of elections?
Yes, my lord.
If you can keep referring to the applicable law, it will be...
My lord, yes. The applicable law is, my lord, the Election Act of 2017.
Section?
And your lordship will see initially the powers of the commission are identified, but if we move on to section 200 and 200 onwards, it relates to political parties and constitutional political parties, and the election is then, my lord, section 208. My lord, this bundle contains all the statutes.
No, we have the book.
All right. Section 208, the office bearers of a political party at the federal, provincial and local levels, wherever applicable, shall be elected periodically in accordance with the constitution of the political party, provided that a period not exceeding 5 years shall intervene between any two elections. A member of a political party shall, subject to the provisions of the constitution of the political party, be provided with an equal opportunity of contesting election for any political party office. All members of the political party at the federal, provincial and local levels shall constitute the electoral college for election of the party general council at the respective levels. The political party shall publish the updated list of its central office bearers and executive committee members by whatever name called on its website and send the list and any subsequent change in it to the Commission. 5, where a political party fails to conduct intra-party elections as per given time frame in their constitution, a show cause notice shall be issued to such a political party, and if the party fails to comply with, then the Commission shall impose fine which may extend to 200,000 rupees but shall not be less than 100,000 rupees. My Lord,
What was the allegation of the Election Commission?
my Lord, Election Commission initially wrote to them saying that according to your constitution, the period of elections is expired, which according to section 5 of their own constitution was 3 years for
Where
all
is
of
their constitution?
My Lord, their constitution is, I'll just get them. Page 140, volume 1. Sorry. Page 140, volume 1, and the section is section 5.
Page बताएं, where is
Page
124 है आपका part
जी
1
सर।
में देखें जो आपके पेज
Sir, relevant partial party elections, that begins from page 140.
वो
Sorry.
article 5 है
Yes, sir.
I hope you're impressed. My learned brother has read the file. I am impressed. I have not read it, but he has. Yes, it's page 124. And what?
The relevant page is page 140.
140.